Tired of wading through a bunch of fancy jargon just to eat right? No worries. I'm here to simplify it all for you. Join me as we demystify the secrets of a balanced diet in plain and simple terms. Plus, I've got an update on my progress as I prepare to compete for my first fitness competition in 7 years. Is it possible that I was losing too much weight? The info I'm sharing here is for your education and enjoyment and not meant to be a substitute for professional medical advice. So if you have any specific concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare pro who can provide personalized guidance. And now, on with the show. Hey everyone, welcome back to another awesome episode of Dr. Venus on Call. Today we're diving deep into a super important topic: nutrition for rocking your health and living your best life. Yep, the food we eat can make a huge difference in our well-being and how long we stick around this life we live in. So, in this video, I'm going to hook you up with some great tips on how to create a diet that will nourish your body and support all your health goals. Let's get started. Tip number 1, the foundation of a balanced diet. Alrighty, let's lay the groundwork for a great balanced diet. It's all about eating a variety of whole foods, like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, healthy fats, and if you eat grains like oats, rice, and quinoa, make sure they're whole grains. All of these are packed with all of the good stuff: vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, the superheroes for your body. Tip number 2, portion control and mindful eating. Listen up, portion control is key. We've got to be mindful about how much food we consume. Tune into your body's hunger and its fullness signs and aim for moderate portions. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to pick up the signal from your gut hormones that you're full. So, give yourself some time to recognize those signals. Let's just practice the fine art of mindful eating. Savor every darn bite. Chew slowly and appreciate those amazing flavors and textures. Food is meant to be savored. Take your time taking pleasure in it. Tip number 3, macronutrients and micronutrients. Now, let's talk about the power duo of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the carbohydrates, the proteins, and the fats. They give us all the energy we need. So be sure to include complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. And don't forget about the micronutrients. Those are the vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. Get them by digging into a rainbow of fruits and veggies. Yum, yum, yummy. Tip number 4, hydration and the role of water. Don't forget about the importance of hydration. Water is the ultimate MVP for our bodies to function like champs. Drink up throughout the day and keep your thirst quenched. And if plain water isn't your jam, well, add some fruit or herbs for a splash of flavor. Cheers. Tip number 5, customizing for individual needs. Okay, folks, we're all unique, right? That means our nutritional needs can vary based on things like age, gender, activity level, and any medical issues going on. So it's smart to chat with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to craft a diet plan that's tailor-made for you. Let the experts do their thing and guide you toward total wellness. Tip number 6, the power of meal planning. time to talk about a game changer, meal planning. Take a few minutes each week to plan out your meals. This way, you'll make sure they're packed with all the good stuff your body craves. It's going to make healthy choices a piece of cake. Well, maybe not cake, but you get the idea. And you'll kiss those convenience foods goodbye. Before we wrap up, I've got an exciting update to share about my own fitness journey as I train to make a return to the competition stage after a 7-year hiatus. In a previous episode, I got real with you about the struggles I faced in making progress. If you haven't caught that episode yet, be sure to check it out. It's titled 1 Month on a Diet, 0 Pounds Lost. Seriously? So here's the game changer. I discovered an incredible solution that finally pushed me past that stubborn plateau. I realized that meal prep was the big obstacle for me to really get going on my training diet. So I found a healthy meal prep company that took away the time-consuming task of meal planning and cooking. And let me tell you, it made a world of difference. Here's the scoop on my results. As you may remember, I previously shared that I started at 149 pounds, and after a whole month, I lost just half a pound. Less than half, actually. But in just the first week of using the meal prep service, I shed 3 pounds, from 148.6 pounds down to 145.6 pounds. And the progress did not stop there. The following week, I dropped another 3 pounds. But here's the catch. I know that sustaining a weight loss of 3 pounds per week is not really ideal for the long term for me. I don't want to risk losing muscle mass or slowing down my metabolism. For someone of my height of 5'4.5 inches, a good goal for my rate of weight loss would be 1 to 2 pounds per week. So, fast forward 6 weeks from the start of using the meal prep service, I stepped on the scale and saw 137.2 pounds staring back at me. That's a total loss of 11.4 pounds, averaging 1.9 pounds shed per week, right within the range of weight loss I was aiming for. How's that for progress? Now, I've given you a lot of numbers here, talking about pounds lost and rate of loss, but don't get too obsessed with those numbers. Numbers can be helpful to track, but ultimately, the best gauge for your progress is how you look, and more importantly, how you feel. And I was feeling fantastic. Alrighty, that's a wrap on my guide to crafting an epic diet for top-notch health and longevity. Remember, when you treat your body to wholesome foods, you're investing in your overall well-being. Take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be rocking the benefits. If you love this video and want to see more great nutrition tips and guidance, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join our awesome community. I'm Dr. Venus on call. Stay fit, be happy.